रिलीज करो भाई। Now you were asking about composting, no? With this kind of volume reduction, and you have reduced everything to tiny bits.
Correct.
It will decompose as long as you keep it dry. And you want add little bit of gur, jaggery, or even your normal fruits. You eat a lot of fruits from your food. You add that, it will decompose in 1.5 months.
Faster than 1.5 months.
Very fast because you've made it small. The second thing is that if you cut it into pieces like this, you can use it in your flower beds only as mulch.
I want to use it in mulch also.
So you don't need to use oil for compost.
Okay, let me get my vegetable waste also.
Get that.
I'll get my vegetable waste. I think that will be a good idea. I'll get the vegetable waste also. In fact, if you have any bucket of coconut, that would be a wonderful. Coconut bucket, it will shed the plastic. Or your pet bottles or something. You can just collect it separately. Separately, exactly. Yeah. Okay. Let me get that. I try to focus on the but we can try this husk. Yes, this bark of this coconut.
Yeah. You can put that.
We saw that now over there.
Yeah.
Actually, Mandala we had an old tree. मर गया था. पूरा हम लोग कर दिया. What you can do is you can chop this, the thick one. That will give an idea. Flat नाही टाकायचं असं पतला पतला. मी वरून ते आणतो.
चल बंद करो चलो